The YFQ-44A, designated by the U.S. Air Force in March 2025, represents a decisive advancement in autonomous aerial warfare capability. Developed by Anduril Industries, this unmanned platform is the result of rapid innovation driven by the Air Force's Collaborative Combat Aircraft (CCA) program, part of a broader strategy to deter and, if necessary, prevail in potential conflicts with technologically capable adversaries. It is designed not as a surveillance drone or support vehicle, but as a true fighter-class autonomous aircraft capable of operating in high-threat environments. This places the YFQ-44A at the center of future combat formations, enabling human-machine teaming at scale and under conditions too risky for traditional manned platforms. The YFQ-44A, internally known as Fury, was originally designed by Blue Force Technologies before the company was acquired by Anduril in 2023. Unlike many previous drone programs, Fury was built from the ground up to operate autonomously, maintain low observability, and maneuver with fighter-like agility. Its design philosophy centers on affordability, survivability, and adaptability, allowing the aircraft to support a variety of missions such as suppression of enemy air defenses, SEAD, electronic warfare, air-to-air engagements, and long-range strike operations, all with or without human direction. Ground testing for the YFQ-44A began on May 1, 2025, at Anduril's Costa Mesa, California facility. The aircraft has since undergone rigorous subsystem validation, including propulsion integration, flight control verification, and autonomous system simulations. The propulsion system, the Williams FJ44-4M turbofan engine, delivers approximately 4,000 pounds of thrust, enabling the aircraft to fly at nearly Mach 0.95 and at altitudes exceeding 50,000 feet. The airframe is designed to handle +9-3 g loads, allowing for highly dynamic maneuvering. With a projected combat radius of over 700 nautical miles, the platform can operate far beyond the front lines, providing critical reach and persistence in denied environments. The aircraft's shape, size, and materials contribute to a radar signature estimated to be on par with fifth-generation platforms like the F-35. This low observability makes the YFQ-44A suitable for penetrating contested airspace where legacy unmanned systems would be easily detected and targeted. The vehicle is also modular, allowing it to be quickly configured for different mission roles through interchangeable payload bays and software-defined systems. It is designed to operate in groups, either autonomously or under the loose command of a manned aircraft, functioning as force multipliers that extend the tactical reach of existing air assets. As of June 2025, the U.S. Air Force has stood up a dedicated experimental operations unit at Nellis Air Force Base to begin the process of integrating the YFQ-44A into tactical scenarios. These exercises focus on developing and validating tactics, techniques, and procedures (TDPs) for manned-unmanned teaming. At the same time, an aircraft readiness unit is being formed at Beale Air Force Base, tasked with preparing for future deployments and maintaining the aircraft's operational tempo. These developments confirm the Department of the Air Force's commitment to fielding operational collaborative combat aircraft by the end of the decade, with plans for mass production and potential deployment alongside the Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) family of systems. What sets the YFQ-44A apart is not just its flight characteristics or stealth capability, but the way it reshapes the economics and tactics of aerial warfare. One crewed sixth-generation fighter may cost upwards of $200 million, while multiple autonomous CCAs, like the Fury, can be fielded for a fraction of that cost. This makes them expendable in strategic terms, but not disposable in function. Each YFQ-44A is designed to provide meaningful combat power, acting independently or in coordination with human pilots. This enables distributed operations across a wide battlespace and creates a more survivable and flexible force posture in future conflicts. The U.S. approach with the YFQ-44A is also notable for how it leverages private sector innovation. Unlike traditional defense programs with long development timelines, the CCA initiative encourages fast prototyping and iterative testing. Anduril, a non-traditional defense company, is central to this strategy, bringing commercial tech practices, such as software-first engineering, modular design, and continuous integration, into a highly regulated and mission-critical environment. This partnership between government and industry represents a deliberate move to outpace adversaries through speed, adaptability, and cost-effectiveness. The YFQ-44A's first flight is scheduled for the summer of 2025. This milestone will mark a turning point in the transition from concept to operational reality. As of late June 2025, testing and integration efforts remain on track, and the aircraft continues to attract attention within the defense community for its potential to redefine air combat in the coming decades. While much of the technical detail remains classified, what is publicly available already signals a clear intent to maintain American air superiority not only through advanced platforms, but through entirely new ways of fighting. The YFQ-44A is not an experiment, it is a combat-ready prototype built to validate and deliver capabilities that matter in tomorrow's war. It complements the nation's investments in NGAD, F-35, and autonomous mission systems, ensuring that the U.S. Air Force can operate decisively, dynamically, and with reduced risk to its personnel. It stands as a clear message that the United States is not only aware of rising threats but is proactively reshaping its combat forces to meet them with confidence and clarity.